except in the areas where the moisture got in, and it's just sitting there. Look at, man, this is like a 32nd of an inch worth of paint. Also, Romanian paint is crap. So I'm trying to get it off. Okay, so maybe the wind is a little better now so you can hear me. This isn't to make it pretty. It's more to keep the rust at bay. Let me show you. So last year I painted this area. Now, it looks bad, but if you can notice, the rust stopped. It hasn't gotten much worse. Now obviously there's areas that are really deep under there that I couldn't get the paint on. But, you know, just for a while, it should be okay. What prompted all this was, obviously, I can see this with my security cameras. And I looked over this like a time lapse and saw how this got bad. Now, Romanian vehicles are notorious for horrible steel. And I mean horrible. Look at how it's delaminating. And the paint, Romanian paint, is no better. Okay, yeah, I know my taping is just really horrendous, and I could have put a newspaper there, but I got lazy and I'm tired and I just want to get this job done. I'm going to use an old Romanian, ancient Romanian method to paint. Now I swear by this stuff. Hint hint, Rustoleum. How about sponsoring me? But seriously, I've been using it on the classic cars. I do minimal prep, minimal brushing. This stuff really bonds with the rust. Now with a lot of dirt, that's why I still got some areas, but what you already saw. That's been like that for 6 months. Let's get cracking, alright? The idea is that I want this to really seep into the delaminated steel. Okay, so you can see right here, that is good steel. Well, it was good steel because now it turned to that. And this was done, I don't know, a couple of years ago. I sprayed inside all these nasty cracks. Now I'm just going to cover it up to make it look somewhat pretty. Not the right color. Either I'm going gray or blonde, or I just painted this entire hair. Stay, 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 stay. Alright, let's see how this comes out. Of course, it didn't paint underneath it. So you just saw the shittiest job of any automotive repair. I'm pissed off, so I'm just gonna leave it at this. Yeah, tell me, at least it's covered, it's not gonna rust further, but it looks like it's 1985 in Russia, even worse than Romania. So this is Al Barry, and I hope you have a great ride, at least better than mine today.